All right, we are ready for section 6.2, practice number 2. Problem number 1. This being a parallelogram means the opposite sides are congruent. That's congruent to that. That is congruent to that. Now that we know the opposite sides are congruent, we can create our equations because congruent means equal. So 3a minus 4 equals a plus 2. And the other one would be 2b equals b plus 1. If I was solving this one, I would begin subtracting a. 3a minus a is 2a. Negative 4 equals gone and 2. I would then add 4 to both sides. 2a equals 6. Divide both sides by 2 and I get a equals 3. This problem, I would not start by subtracting 2b. I would start by subtracting b from this side. I already have the b is almost by itself over here, so I'm just going to get rid of the b off of the right side. 2b minus one of those b's would just be b equals 1. Nothing else I need to do. I'm done with that problem. Problem number 2. Opposite angles are congruent because this is a parallelogram. Means this equals this. This one equals the one that's not labeled up here. I don't know what that one is. But let's start with these that I do know. Y plus 10 equals 2y minus 40. So I'll solve that one first since I know I can solve it. Let's go minus y from the left side. I get 10 equals 2y minus y is y, 1y, minus 40. Add 40 to both sides to get the y completely by itself, and I get 50 equals y. I also know that consecutive angles are supplementary. I'm going to choose these two right here, being next to each other. I know I can add them up to equal 180. So I'm going to do the y plus the 10 plus this 4x equals 180. I chose this one because I know now what y actually is. Y is 50. So I'm going to put that 50 in there for that y. 50 plus 10 plus 4x equals 180. 50 plus 10 is 60. Subtract 60 from both sides. I get 4x equals 180 minus 60 is 120. Divide by 4, x equals 30. Problem number 3. The diagonals bisect each other. That means this is congruent to this. It also means that this one is congruent to this one. So y plus 3 equals the 12, and the x minus 3 equals the 15. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides to solve this one. I get y equals 9. I'm going to add 3 to both sides for this one, and I get x equals 18. Problem number 4. Diagonals bisect each other. Again, this is equal to this. This one is equal to this one. So 5y minus 8 equals 3y plus 1. And x plus 6 equals 4x. Solving this one first, I would subtract the 3y first. 5y minus 3y is 2y. 3y minus 3y is gone. We get 1. I would add 8 to both sides. 2y equals 9. Divide by 2. 9 halves. You can leave it like that if you'd like. 4.5, I believe. 4.5. This one, I would not subtract 4x. I would subtract the x. 6 equals 4x minus x is 3x. Divide by 3. 5, 6, 7, and 8 we're going to do together all the way through. First of all, angle RST. RST is this entire angle right here. Well, this angle is 30 plus 25, 55 degrees is this big angle here. Well, if this angle is 55, then this angle over here would have to be 180 minus 55. 180 minus 55 is 125, I think. So that angle is 125. So RST, 125 degrees. I did that because I know that the consecutive angles are supplementary. STU, STU, that's this big angle here. Well, opposite angles are equal, so STU would be 55 degrees. TUR, TUR is this big one here. Well, I already know opposite angles are equal, so since I already found this one was 125, this one would also be 125. And then for B, I have opposite sides are congruent. So 4B minus 1 equals 23. Add 1 to both sides. We get 4B equals 24. Divide by 4, B equals 6. Last question. We got this parallelogram, right? This design here says angle 1 is 130. Find the other angles. So if this is 130, then I know this one is 130. And the ones next to it are supplementary. So 180 minus 130 is 50. So I know this one is 50 and this one is 50. So measure angle 2, measure angle 3, measurement of angle 4. 2 and 4 are both 50. Angle 3, 130. Any questions? Come see Mr. Harmless. Let me know, and I will try to help you.